seed supply chain is the processing or cleaning of the seed batch. In this way you can remove all the materials that is non-seed, like twigs, rocks, dead and broken seeds, from what is actually to be considered a pure seed unit. That can be done manually, but there are much faster and more efficient way to do it. And there's a vast amount of machines that have been developed, mostly in the agricultural industry, to do it efficiently. And now they customize it. Here, for example, we've got some small lab scale seed cleaning equipment. They use hair separation to differentiate the seeds from different chaffs and other material based on the density. So an airflow goes through the seeds and separates the ones that are lighter, so empty, to the ones that are heavier, that are probably most likely to be alive. And this is just one of the systems that is used. There's many other systems. They use seeds, a combination of seeds and airflow. They use the shape of the seed, use the gravity, and lots of other tricks to be able to separate good seeds from non-seed material.